Good morning, all of you, student of class 9. Yes, we have completed this chapter up to where that grandfather has purchased one monkey. Monkey name was Toto, and now grandfather want to keep it into the room, but there is the problem of grandma. So what happened after few times, after few hours later, a few hours later, when grandfather and I came back to release Toto, we found that the wall, which had been covered with some ornamental papers chosen by grandfather, now stood out as naked brick and plaster. The peg in the wall, the peg means the nail, heel. The peg in the wall had been wrenched from its socket, and my school blazer, which had been hanging there, was its in shreds. I wondered what grandmother would say, but grandfather didn't worry. He seemed pleased with Toto's performances. His clever, said grandfather, given time, I am sure he could have tied the torn pieces of leather into rope and made his escape from the window. In this paragraph, means first of all, grandfather has decided to keep the monkey in the closet in a wall and keep tight to the string of the monkey with any nail. nail का मतलब कील, पैग मतलब कील, कील जो दीवार पे जो गाड़ी आती है, पैग मीन्स कील. So what happened? Monkey was very naughty, and monkey started to catch up or started to draw, started to throw all the plasters that was attached on the wall. So monkey, when grandfather and grandson has come there, then they have seen that monkey has torn the things from the peg, and monkey has found that wall was completely out of the ornamental paper and brick and plaster. Means monkey has snatched over all the brick and plaster of the wall. Monkey has torn all the papers which were decorated on the wall, that has been completely torn off, and the peg of the wall, the nail of the wall was completely, nail का मतलब है कील, जो कील उसमें लगी हुई थी वॉल में, that was completely out of the socket, that has been stretched out or wrenched it. And there was one blazer, school blazer of the child. There was a school blazer of the child that has been also disturbed, or that has been also torn here. Would say that grandfather didn't worry it, and grandfather was very happy to see the performance of the monkey, because grandfather thought that monkey was very clever, and this is good habit that monkey has wrenched up all the things. What happened on that time, that grandfather was really very happy to see the performance of monkey, because grandfather has purchased the monkey uh, with very very good interest. So what happened, that monkey was really very clever. A monkey has divided the blazer into multiple of the pieces. Okay, and skipped it from the window. Monkey has tied the torn pieces of the blazer and then escaped from the window. I'm going to read the second paragraph. His presence in the house is still secret. Toto was not now transferred to a big cage in the servants' quarter, where the number of grandfather's pet lived very sociably together. A tortoise, a pair of rabbits, a tame squirrel, and for a while my pet goat. But the monkey wouldn't allow any of the companions to sleep at night. So grandfather, who had to leave Dehradun next day to collect his pension in Saharanpur, decided to take him along. What happened? That his presence still was in secret means in this paragraph, grandfather has kept the monkey in a private zoo, and there was a particular big cage in the servants' quarter, in the servants' room. There was completely servant room has been converted into the zoo like or the small cage for the monkeys. So there was number of the animals. A tortoise was there, a pair of rabbits were there, a pet squirrel was there, goat was there, but monkey was very naughty, and monkey never wanted to part of the social part of the that zoo or that was small place. So monkey doesn't want to live in the cage. So monkey was not social animal was there in the servants quarter. What happened? So grandfather next day grandfather has to go to Saharanpur to collect the pension of grandfather, but grandfather decided to keep the monkey also with him at the station also. So grandfather decided to keep the monkey with him for going when he was going to Saharanpur. What happened? So it was very difficult to keep a monkey at the time of journey. What happened on that time? Unfortunately, I couldn't accompany grandfather on the trip, but he could. He told me about it afterwards. A big black canvas kit bag was provided for Toto. This, with some straw at the bottom, became his new abode. Abode means house. When the bag was closed, there was no escape. Toto couldn't get his hands through the opening, and canvas was too strong for him to bite his way through. His efforts to get out only had the effect of making the bag roll about on the floor, on occasionally jump into the air, an exhibition that attracted a curious crowd of onlookers on the Dehradun railway platform. What happened? Unfortunately, the grandfather has decided to keep the monkey in the black kit bag. It was made of the leather, so monkey was kept in the bag, and there was for the softness and the downside of the bag, it was kept the some straw and dry leaves, dry straw, घास भूसा, dry grass, and it was very strong that monkey couldn't jump from here. Monkey couldn't take out hands from the bag, so it was very difficult. But some openings or some place were there to keep his hands out and mouth out, face out. So number of the persons were watching at the Dehradun railway platform that monkey was in the bag. So it was very curious and attractive. So guys, this much today. Have a nice day for today. Thanks a lot.